Hello guys, I'm very excited today because we have this cardash here. It's a 12.3-inch display from Chalkboard Electronics, and we're gonna take pre-sales order in 1 or 2 days time. What I'm showing here is actually connected to my car here using OBD2. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, this is how it's connected by a USB cable. At the same time, if you have a Bluetooth enabled OBD, yeah, you can connect as well. And at the back you can see it is directly connected to a Raspberry Pi, and then the Raspberry Pi is powered by the LED backlight board over here, and this LED backlight board is connected. You're getting power supply from this 12-volt car adapter. Okay, and you can see that I also installed a GPS speedometer here, so you can compare the speed while we do some tests later. A little bit more about this display. All the cluster that you see here are customizable. You can add gauges that you want for your required projects, and this software that we are running now is a open source application. We will provide the link in the details. Okay, so let us do some testing on the display. Okay, I'll step on the accelerator. You can see it's quite responsive. And then just over here, so you can compare. Alright. So now we can actually go on the road for a test drive. You guys can see that the speedometer is quite responsive. I'll do some speed up when we enter the highway. Okay, here it goes. Sorry about that. One thing about this display is sunlight readable. So it actually gives a very clear view even under this hot sun. And as I mentioned just now, we are opening up for pre-order in 1 to 2 days time. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching with us. Thank you very much.